Let us do parsvottanasana, hand, head, forward bend. Take your right leg far back, right foot inclined inward at 45 degrees, left foot pointing away from the body at 90 degrees, torso turned towards the left leg. As you inhale, fold both your hands behind. Take Namaskara Mudra. This is called Paschima Namaskara. Breathe in, lengthen your spine, roll your shoulders, and as you breathe out, bend forward from your lower back, taking the chin close to the shin bone. Make sure both the knees are straight. Breathe in and out normally for a certain number of breaths. Slowly inhale and rise up. Exhale, release the hands and come to the top of the mat. Repeat on the other side. Relax.